Present simple, first form plus s or es. Present continuous, am, is, are plus first form plus ing. Present perfect, has or have plus third form. Present continuous, has or have been plus first form plus ing. Past simple, second form. Past continuous, was were plus first form plus ing. Past perfect, had plus third form. Past perfect continuous, had been plus first form plus ing. Future simple, will or shall plus first form. Future continuous, will be plus first form plus ing. Future perfect, will have plus third form. Future perfect continuous, will have been plus first form plus ing.
Present simple, I eat. Present continuous, I am eating. Present perfect, I have eaten. Present perfect continuous, I have been eating. Past simple, I ate. Past continuous, I was eating. Past perfect, I had eaten. Past perfect continuous, I had been eating. Future simple, I will eat. Future continuous, I will be eating. Future perfect, I will have eaten. Future perfect continuous, I will have been eating.